Virtual Drummer Deep by UJAM. This is another really cool drum plugin by UJAM. I have a bunch of their other virtual drummers. This one is really cool for 60s and 70s sounding drums, but you can also use this for modern music as well. Obviously, that's what it's made for. Alternative music, pop music, hip hop music, all that kind of really authentic drum sound. If you're looking for that kind of vibe, really cool stuff in this one. Let's check out some of these things. Please do check out my channel. I have hundreds of other videos, a bunch of music production stuff, some free VSTs. Check out my reviews for the monthly.com courses, which are now studio.com. Ryan Tedder, Charlie Puth, Kygo, amongst a few of the songwriting and production classes on there. If you want to check those out, check out the reviews for those as well. Anyways, let's get into this. So this is Deep here, and there's a 30-day trial you can download. There's a link in the video description. As you can see, I've been in trial mode myself with this one. So basically, this works just like the other UJAM plugins, the drummer ones, if you have any of those, if any familiar with those ones. Really quick, simple interface here. We have from C1 to C2 and up to about C3, we have all the kicks or all the drums laid out on the keyboard, so I can play them on the keyboard. Or whatever. And then we also have patterns over here. And these are laid out: verses, choruses, special, and we have breakdowns, we have endings, we have fills, intros, and then a stop button too. So we can put it in latch mode and just play the beats. Switch to a chorus. Play some fills. Endings and such. So really cool interface here. You can either trigger these into your DAW, into your MIDI sequencer, or we can drag these little things here. If you like that beat, you can drag this into your DAW as well as a MIDI file. So that's really cool. Now up here we have presets for the patterns, and they have some tempo suggestions as well, which is cool. And then we have other presets up here for the drum kits, and these will change the patterns as well, the patterns that are in here. Also, these grooves here line up perfectly with the Dandy bass plugin they also make. It's sold separately, and so you can have an instant bass and drum groove going on, and they have the same preset names. So I made another video about that, so you can check that out as well. And then down here we have all these different settings for the drum kit. We have mix presets, we have the grit control, we have a mount, we have the individual instruments. You can change the kick on the different kits. You can change the snare up, toms, hi-hat, and such for further tweaking. And then we have individual sounds here. We have overhead and room. And also this works as a multiple output instrument as well. So you can split all the kick and snare into different channels if you want to do extra tweaking on here. But we have our master channel here, which has a saturation button, has a reverb, and a maximizer. Then there's some presets here for like the reverb settings and such. So let's check out some of these presets here. We'll just go back into here. Factory, we have an introduction, we have funk, we have hip hop, we have jazz, we have pop, and we have soul. So let's just go into the introduction kits, see what these sound like. Then you could go down here and change the kits as well. Take off some of that delay. Change the kick drum. Change the snare up. So a lot of really cool sounding drums and patterns. Really, really nice. This is one of my favorite drum sounds for that old vintage kind of sound. We also have micro timing over here. We can do half time, we can do regular time, we could do double time, we could do push and fill, we could swing the beat. We have a humanized feel here for tightening, loosening it as well. So as you can see, these ones change as they go, but with the presets, but all those extra settings in there for all that fun stuff. Got some pop sounding in here. Dry drop. So really, really cool. As you can see, you get lots of different kinds of sounds with this thing, and you can use it for many styles of music: pop, hip hop, rock, jazz, all that fun stuff, soul music, all kind of really cool things. Anyways, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please do subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.